Your Windows 11 PC doesn't need to be this slow. I'll show you 5 fixes that'll make it faster. No downloads, no shady software, just real settings hidden inside Windows. If your startup takes forever, apps freeze, or everything feels laggy, stay till the end because fix number 5 is a total game changer most people miss.
Windows fixes with Live Tech World.
Fix number 1, turn off startup apps. Let's start with something that slows every PC. Too many startup apps. These tiny programs secretly launch every time you power on your computer. On most PCs, this alone can cut boot time in half. You'll feel the difference next restart. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape and Task Manager will open. Click Startup Apps. Now, disable everything you don't need on boot. You only need essentials like your antivirus and maybe your sound driver. Fix number 2, disable background apps. Even when you close apps, many keep running in the background, eating your RAM. Search for background apps permissions. Choose Let this app run in background, Never for non-essential apps. Steps for this. Click the Start menu, then Settings. Then Installed Apps. Then click on 3 dots with each listed apps. Then click on Advanced, and then Background Apps, or App Permissions. And set non-essential apps to Never. You'll still be able to use them. They just won't run in the background. You don't need Candy Crush or Xbox services eating memory while you're writing a document. Fix number 3, adjust visual effects. Windows loves eye candy, but those smooth animations actually slow things down on older machines. Press Windows plus R, then type sysdm.c, PL, then go to Advanced. Then click on Performance and then Settings. Adjust for best performance. Or manually uncheck. Animate windows when minimizing/maximizing. Fade or slide menus. This gives your PC a noticeable boost. And if you miss a bit of flair, turn just 1 or 2 effects back on later. Fix number 4, clean up temporary files. Next, free up system junk. Windows stores tons of temp files that do nothing but slow you down. Steps. Press Windows plus I. System. Storage. Temporary files. Delete delivery optimization, temp files, and previous Windows installations if you've upgraded recently. Bonus tip. Enable Storage Sense so Windows cleans automatically every few days. Fix number 5, Power Plan Optimization. This is the most overlooked performance fix, the Power Plan. Steps. Open Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Power Options. Select High Performance or on laptops, use Ultimate Performance Mode. Via command line, copy the below command from the description below. Power CFG, minus duplicate scheme, E9A, 42B, 02-D5, DF-4, 48D, -A, A00-03, F1, 47, 49EB61. Your CPU can now run at full potential, meaning apps open faster and multitasking feels smoother. Bonus tip. Restart your PC once a week. It clears memory leaks and background junk. Seriously, most users forget this and wonder why their PC feels sluggish. Alright, now your Windows 11 PC should feel like new. If it does, hit that like button so YouTube knows it helps someone else too. And check out my next video right here, where I show how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 11. That's the #1 cause of background lag. Watch in next video, Fix High CPU Usage.